Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Last two videos I have completed the retirement benefits. So at the time of retirement, the employer may pay some monetary benefits to the employee in the form of gratuity, commuted pension, leave encashment, etc. So the provisions of Income Tax Act, how much tax liability will be there on these retirement benefits, already I have explained in the last two videos. Now in this video, I'm going to start the problems on retirement benefits. That is problems on gratuity, problems on commuted pension, and problems on leave encashment. So watch the video to get the perfect knowledge on this subject of income tax. If you have not watched the earlier videos, I suggest you go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject income tax for the assessment year 22-23. Take out the videos of retirement benefits. Be perfect about the provisions of gratuity, commuted pension, etc. Now, before starting the problems on retirement benefits, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Always, without having the problems, you cannot understand my explanation. And take the screenshot of the solutions of the first few problems on these retirement benefits. Then I'll explain everything in detail. Now, first problem. Problem number 1. Sri Raghuram, Senior Accounts Officer in Indian Railways. So, Indian Railways, government department. So, the SSC is a government employee. Retired from the service after serving for 28 years. He received 9 lakh as gratuity. On the date of his retirement, his monthly salary was basic 35,000, DA 4,000, HRA 750. Calculate the taxable amount of HRA. Previous video, I have explained you the gratuity received by government employee at the time of retirement is fully exempted. Nothing is taxable. Whatever government employee receives gratuity, that is completely exempted from tax. So in this problem, we don't require basic, DA, HRA, all these things we don't require. Simply we should write on the SSC is a government employee. So gratuity received at the time of retirement is completely exempted. Taxable gratuity will be nil. The taxable gratuity will be nil. So solution will be like this. The SSC is a government employee. So gratuity received at the time of retirement is fully exempted from tax. And hence gratuity, taxable gratuity is nil. Next, second, Srimati Sri Devi, a lecturer in Government Degree College, again a government employee, Hyderabad, retired from the service during the previous year relevant to the current assessment year. Then she completed 32 years of service and received the gratuity 10 lakh. Her basic salary on the date of retirement was 56,850 per month and DA 24,200 per month. Calculate the exempted amount of gratuity. Whatever she received, that is completely exempted because she is a government employee. The SSC is a government employee, so the gratuity received at the time of retirement rupees 10 lakh is fully exempted. It is asking you how much exempted. So we will say fully exempted. Complete 10 lakh rupees exempted. Nothing taxable. We don't require salary, we don't require HRA. The SSC is a government employee, so gratuity received at the time of retirement rupees 10 lakh is fully exempted. 2 questions completed. Now third question. Sri Vishnu Vardhan, an employee of a limited company, received on 1st July 2021 rupees 13 lakh as gratuity. He retired after serving for 35 years. At the time of retirement, his monthly salary was 52,000. He is covered under the Gratuity Act. Calculate the unexempted amount of gratuity. This is the case. The SSC is a non-government employee. For non-government employee, 2 cases are there. The employees may be governed by Payment of Gratuity Act or the employees are not covered by Gratuity Act. Now that we have to see. Because exemption depends. The gratuity exemption will depend whether the employee is covered under Gratuity Act or not covered. But here in this problem, it is specifically given the employee is governed under Payment of Gratuity Act. So gratuity is exempted to the least of the following three amounts. Actual amount of gratuity received. Second, 15 days salary into number of years of service completed or a part thereof in excess of 6 months. And third one, fixed ceiling of 20 lakh that is given by the Income Tax Act. So least of these three will be exempted and the remaining will be taxable gratuity. That's all. So see carefully, the SSC is a non-government employee and covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. So gratuity received at the time of retirement is exempted to the least of the following three amounts. First one, actual gratuity received. In the problem it is given actual gratuity received is 13 lakh. So here I have taken 13 lakh actual gratuity. 15 days salary into number of years of service completed or a part thereof in excess of 6 months. These are the wordings given by Income Tax Act. The same wording you have to write. So number of years of service is given in the problem. That is how many years? 35 years he has given. The number of years of service 35. 15 days salary. What is the meaning of the term salary? Salary means basic plus DA of the retiring month. Normally students will commit the mistake in these provisions only. They are not sure about the salary meaning. So give more concentration. Remember, salary for this purpose means basic plus DA of the retiring month. Here in our problem, only basic is given 52,000. No DA is there. DA is not there. So 52,000 is the basic. 15 days salary, how to calculate? The Income Tax Act has given the rule. Take the salary of the retiring month into 15 by 26. So out of 26 days in a month, actually month consists of 30 days. But it is assumed that out of 30 days, 4 days are Sundays. So 30 minus 4, 26. So we calculate 15 by 26. These are the provisions given by Income Tax Act. So 52,000 into 15 by 26 is 30,000. So we got 15 days salary is 30,000. Now here we can take 15 days salary means 30,000 is the 15 days salary. How many years of service completed? 35 years given in the problem. Multiply. You will get 10 lakh 50,000. Now see, fixed ceiling amount given by the Income Tax Act 20 lakh. Now whichever is least among these three is exempted. So 13 lakh, 10 lakh 50,000 or 20 lakh. Whichever is the least, 10 lakh 50,000 is the least. That is exempted gratuity. That is not taxable. So actual gratuity received is 13 lakh. Out of which exempted gratuity is 10 lakh 50,000. Deduct 10 lakh 50,000. So remaining 2 lakh 50,000 this is the taxable gratuity of the SSC. So out of 13 lakh gratuity received, here the taxable gratuity is only 2 lakh 50,000. That's it. These are the provisions for non-government employees governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. Next, fourth. Sri Gopi Chand retired from the service of Save More Company Limited during the previous year relevant to the current assessment year. SSC is a non-government employee because Save More Company is in private sector. So, non-government employee. He served the company for 25 years and 8 months. Fraction is also there. The company paid him 14 lakh as gratuity. Actual gratuity received 14 lakh. His latest salary drawn was basic 38,000. This is the fourth problem, yes. Then the company paid 14 lakh. His last salary drawn was basic 38,000, DA 18,500, CCA 2,500, HRA 3,200. Calculate the taxable amount of gratuity if he is governed by Gratuity Act and B, if he is not governed by the Gratuity Act. In this problem, the SSC is a non-government employee. We have to calculate the taxable amount of gratuity if the SSC is governed, first case. And second case, if the SSC is not governed by Gratuity Act. Both cases we have to find out. Sri Gopi Chand, SSC is government, non-government employee. So if he is governed by the Gratuity Act, the gratuity received is exempted to the list of the following three amounts. Actual gratuity received 14 lakh given. 15 days salary into number of years of service completed or a part thereof in excess of 6 months. And third one, fixed amount is 20 lakh. Now the only thing is actual gratuity will be given in the problem and 20 lakh is the ceiling given by the income tax rules. The only thing you have to calculate 15 days salary. And salary means, just now I told you in the previous problem, salary means basic plus DA of the retiring month. Basic plus DA of the retiring month. We should not see whether DA is entering or not entering. Take the DA. That is the rule. Now, here, in this case, what is the salary? Salary is given, basic salary 38,000 and the DA is 18,500. DA we should include. We should not take into consideration CCA and HRA. Ignore. Only take DA and basic. 38,000 plus 18,500, you will get 56,500. If you add up basic plus DA, you will get 56,500 into 15 by 26. Just now I told you in the previous problem. 15 days salary. 15 by 26 into 56,500 into 26 years. He has served for 25 years, 8 months. So here, according to this wording, if the fraction of the year is 6 months or more, count it as 1 year. So here 8 months are there. So we count it as 1 year. So 25 plus 1, 26 years. So multiply 15 by 26 into 56,500 into 26, you'll get 8,46,500. Fixed 20 lakh. What is the minimum in this three? 8,47,500 is the least amount. This is exempted. Now we need what is a taxable. It is asking in the problem what is a taxable amount of gratuity. So from actual gratuity received, deduct the exempted limit. So actual gratuity received 14 lakh. Exempted gratuity 8,47,500 minus. You'll get 5,52,500. This is the taxable gratuity. So this is the case if the employee is governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Second case, if the employee is not governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act, slight provisions are different. So gratuity is exempted to the list of the following three amounts. First one, actual gratuity received 14 lakh, same. Now second case, the wordings are different. Here it is given 15 days salary. Here it is given half month's average salary. So what do you mean by average salary? Again, provision is different. Here the meaning of salary is different. Here it is different. If governed by Payment of Gratuity Act, salary means basic plus DA of the retiring month. Whether DA entering or not entering for retirement, don't see. Only DA and basic. But here in case of not governed by Payment of Gratuity Act, salary means basic. DA will be included if it enters for retirement benefit, and commission if it is based on fixed percentage on turnover. In our problem, we don't have any commission. So gratuity is exempted, least. Average salary means the average of the past 10 months salary preceding the month of retirement. In whichever month he retired, before that 10 months, we calculate the salary and we take the average salary of those 10 months, right? Then half month average salary means 1 by 2 into this one. Now, average salary. Average of the last 10 months. Salary is equal to basic. DA if it enters and commission if it is based on fixed percentage on turnover. In our problem, basic is given 38,000. DA. Nothing is given regarding DA, whether it is entering for retirement benefit or not entering for retirement benefit. So we assume it is not entering for retirement benefit. We should not consider. Commission is not there. So ultimately salary means 38,000. We want the average salary of the last 10 months. But the salary is same. Every month 38,000 only. There is no change. That means the salary is constant every month 38,000. The average salary will also be 38,000. Now 38,000 average salary into half month average salary into number of years of service completed, ignoring the fraction. Here, if the fraction is 6 months or more, we have to count 1 year. That's why we have taken 26 years. But regarding here, only number of years of service completed. Fraction year completely should be ignored. 8 months ignored. Only 25 years. Now multiply 38,000 into half into 25, 4,75,000. This is the least. Fixed 20 lakh. So least is 475. This is exempted. Now actual gratuity received is 14 lakh. Exempted gratuity is 4,75,000. Deduct 9,25,000 is the taxable gratuity. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 4. Now I am reading out problem number 5. Sri Akshit Reddy is the marketing manager with Wonder World company. It's a private sector company. So SSC is a non-government employee. He retired during the previous year after serving for 15 years and got 6 lakh rupees as gratuity. His basic pay during the previous year was 32,600 for the first 5 months and 39,700 for the last 7 months. So before retirement, 12 months salary is given. So before retirement, 12 months, first 5 months salary is 32,600. Next 7 months salary is 39,500. And DA 2,500 for the first 5 months and 3,050 for the next 7 months. And 50% of DA entering for retirement benefit. Calculate the taxable amount of gratuity in the following cases if he is not governed by Payment of Gratuity Act A. B. If he is governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Exactly similar to the previous problem. The only thing you have to remember the provisions regarding how to find out the taxable gratuity. I suggest you always in income tax, always keep a notebook, calculator, pen ready. When I give the lecture, when you are concentrating, write it down immediately the provisions. Maintain the notes, then only you can be able to remember the provisions. Otherwise, so many provisions are there, you will listen, you will watch, and then you will forget it. So for your benefit, I am saying my advice, always note it down. Now, Akshit Reddy, the SSC is a non-government employee and receiving gratuity at the time of retirement. Now, first case, if he is not governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act, not governed. So gratuity is exempted to the list of the following 3 amounts. Actual gratuity received 6 lakh given. Half month average salary into number of years of service completed. That's it. The fixed amount is 20 lakh. The only complication is regarding B point. Here you have to calculate average salary, you have to calculate half month average salary and number of years of service completed. Now salary, average salary means the average of the past 10 months salary before retirement, right? So here it is given first 5 months, next 7 months. So we take all the 7 months before retirement, then before that 3 months will take. In the problem it is given 5 months. 7 plus 5, 12 months are given. But we need only for 10 months. So here, salary is equal to average salary of the last 10 months salary. Salary is equal to basic plus DA if it enters for retirement benefit plus commission if it is based on fixed percentage but commission is not given, ignore. Only remember basic plus DA if it enters for retirement benefit. Basic. We take the basic of the 10 month. So immediately before retirement 7 month basic was 39,500. So 39,500 into 7 is 7 months basic. Before that 3 months because totally we need 10 months. First immediately 7 months we have taken, now 3 months. So before these 7 months his salary was 32,600 into 3. We need 10 months. So if you multiply 39,500 into 7 plus 32,600 into 3, you will get 3,74,300. This is the total 10 months basic salary. Similarly, DA. Immediately before retirement, for 7 months, he was getting DA 3,050. So multiply 3,050 into 7, you will get 21,350. Before these 7 months, his DA was 2,500. We need 3 months because totally 10 months. So 2,500 into 3, 7,500. Add up. 21,350 plus 7,500, 14,425. This is the DA, right? Now 50%. You got 28,850 is the total DA of 10 months. But in the problem it is given only 50% is entering for retirement benefit. So total DA we will take 50%. 50% of 28,850 you will get 14,425. Take the total basic plus DA. This is basic, this is DA. 3,88,725 is the total of basic and DA, right? We have taken total. This is the total of 10 months salary, but we need average. So divided by 10. Total salary divided by 10 will get the average 38,872.5. This is the average salary. 38,872.5 is the average salary. Half month average salary. So 1 by 2 into 38,872.5 into number of years of service completed. It is given in the problem 15 years. Multiply 2,91,544. The least of these three amount is exempted. 2,91,000 exempted. So now total actual gratuity received is 6 lakh. And received exempted gratuity is 2,91,544. Deduct 3,08,456 is the taxable gratuity. Finished. This is the case when the employee is not governed by the Gratuity Act. Now B point, if the SSC, if he is governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act, so gratuity is exempted to the list of the following three amounts. Actual gratuity received 6 lakh, 15 days salary into number of years of service completed or a part thereof in excess of 6 months. We don't have any excess. We have directly 15 years. 15 years we have, right? And 15 days salary. What do you mean by salary? When governed by Payment of Gratuity Act. Basic plus DA of the retiring month. Whether entering or not entering for retirement benefit, ignore. Take only basic and DA of the retiring month. Salary is equal to basic plus DA, right? Of the retiring month. Basic salary is 39,500 and DA is 3,050. So add up, you'll get 42,550. 42,550 is the basic and DA of the retiring month. Now 15 days salary. 15 by 26 into 42,550. You will get 24,548. This is the 15 days salary. Now you take 24,548 into 15 years. 3,68,220. This is the exempted gratuity. Least. Now actual gratuity received 6 lakh minus exempted gratuity 368,220. 2,31,780. This is the taxable gratuity. That's all. So in this video, I have explained you 5 problems on gratuity. In examination, in short question, they may ask you to calculate the taxable gratuity, or in the main problems, when we'll do afterwards, in that main problems, one of the item will be given gratuity. So if you remember the provisions, you can attempt the problem correctly. So ultimately depends on the provisions. So if you're satisfied, give a like to the video, share my channel among your groups, among your friends, so that more students can watch the video and enhance the knowledge. Give your comments on these videos. Subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and buy the super thanks which is given below my video. Inshallah, we'll continue our problems on retirement benefit in the next video.